Hello lovelies, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this amazing recipe. The picture speaks for itself. Let's get started, okay? So these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have chicken breast that I cut into strips. I also have chilies, these are spicy. I have shrimps, a little bit of cornstarch, garlic, minced garlic and minced ginger. I also have bell peppers and purple onion, scallion. I also have eggs, 2 of them. I also have salt and pepper. So let's begin, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to my chicken. Because we are using chicken breast, we are going to add cornstarch to it. It's going to help it retain its moisture when we are frying. I'll also add a pinch of pepper, that is white pepper, and a little sprinkle of salt. I'm also going to be adding salt to the shrimp. Now we are going to mix this until it's well incorporated. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it. The oil is gonna help it separate when I'm frying so they don't just stuck into each other, okay? So just mix this and put it aside. A warm welcome to you all my lovely viewers. If today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and you also share the video with all your friends on your contact list, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. So now I'm going to snip my peppers, and the reason why I'm doing this is to take some of the seeds out because the seeds contain most of the heat, the spiciness. So just shake it a little bit like this and the seeds will fall off. Just look at that. Just see how much seeds we have on there. So I'm just going to discard the seeds, or you can also save it and grind it to other recipes that you have. Now I'm going to show you the noodles that I'll be using. This is rice vermicelli. I am holding it like this so you can see properly because it's ripped. That's why I'm holding it like that. So just follow the instructions that came with the package, okay? So this one says you should boil water and then cook it for 8 minutes. So my water is boiling. I'm going to add the amount of noodles that I'll be using. And then when it boils for 8 minutes, I'll just rinse with cold water. That's what the instructions say. So you just follow the instructions on your package, okay? You can also check it after 5 minutes to check if the doneness is okay for you. Alright, and then you rinse it with the cold water. So let's continue with the process. In my wok, I have a little bit of oil in there. I'm just using vegetable oil. I'm going to add my onions and my peppers, and I'll saute for a little while. Now the amount of time is totally up to you. If you want your vegetables to be a little more crunchy, then you don't have to spend all the time. I just sprinkled a little bit of salt. That is going to help it wilt and soften it a little bit faster, and it's also going to season it. So just stir as often as possible, and you're going to do this on high heat. There we go. So this is my preferred doneness. So I'm going to take this off fire and then we'll continue with the process. I just added a little bit more oil to the wok. I'm adding the shrimp. Your own. Flip it halfway through. This is going to be one yummy noodles. Shrimps are done. Please reduce the heat to medium after frying your vegetables, okay? a little bit more oil, like that. And I'm frying the chicken now. So with this one, my choice of protein was chicken. You can as well use pork, and then I also have the shrimps and eggs. Okay, so just use any protein of your choice. The chicken looks juicy. It's done now. I am going to be frying the eggs now, so I'm just adding a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. If you have black pepper, you can as well use that. As if you're making scrambled eggs, right? Awesome. So you can actually make it like this, or you can also fry it like an omelette style. Take it off the heat and then cut them into pieces, or you can do it like this. You flip and then you use your ladle or spoon or whatever to cut them in pieces like I'm doing, and your eggs are done. I know you've been doing for far too long. We are about to eat. Okay, I just added my minced ginger. I'm going to add my minced garlic, and then I will introduce the secret ingredient, and that is curry powder. This is going to take the deliciousness of your noodles to the next level. So fry it for about 40 seconds, and it smells amazing in here. I won't lie to you. This is the white part that I got from the scallion. I just added to it. And then we'll be adding the noodles and the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so get your fork and your knife ready. You're about to dig in. So I just added my peppers to the pot with all the juices. I am going to add the noodles. Woohoo! It smells good. It smells amazing, and it tastes good too. I made this recipe for my 11th anniversary, and everybody loved it. So I know you're gonna love it too. It's gonna be one of your favorites. So please try it. Try this recipe because you have all the ingredients in your pantry. So try it. The only thing you don't have is the vermicelli noodles. You don't have it. So grab some when you go grocery shopping this weekend and make this recipe. I just added my chili to the pot. I'm going to mix this until it's well incorporated. Woohoo! Look at this colorful recipe. Please try it. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do it right now and share it with all your friends on your contact list. Now my protein goes in with all the juices. I'm adding a splash of soy sauce, just about a tablespoon or so, and then you mix well, and your food is ready. You're going to enjoy it. The only thing for you to do now is to taste it and adjust your seasoning. I did mine. And I realized I needed a little bit of salt, so I adjusted the salt content and it was perfect. So please try it and let other people know about this recipe, okay? Did I hear you say thank you? Oh, you're welcome. I'll see you next time, okay? Enjoy it. This is ready. Turn off the heat and just dig in.